County, Eastern Bexar County, Comal County, until midnight Central Standard Time at 10:56 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fisher to near Sutherland Springs, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Schertz, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, Wimberley, Randolph Air Force Base, Canyon Lake Dam, Windcrest, Canyon Lake, Verde, Garden Ridge, St.
We got bugs in here.
Elmendorf, Wood Creek, and
How
Marion.
lucky can they get?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines, tornadoes, and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Wow. Jeez. One time every year this happens. If Killer Vape Pro is watching, I want to let you know I watched your video. I don't know if I should be scared or excited. Wow. I just recorded that. Ugh. You okay? Would you feel better if you came downstairs? These are unsleepable conditions. I had the door open when that struck. We got hail hitting the windows. Oh, not the car. No, not the car. Wow. We got hail. We got hail hitting the windows. Yes, I heard it. I saw it too. Should I do a live stream? Actually, no. That probably... Bed covers up. Wow. There is... Whoa. Jeez, I'm getting mist all over my glasses. Oh, you guys came home at a good time. Ooh. Oh. Wow. It's definitely not as bad as the time that I got woken up by a storm and my curtain was open. Hail sit in the garage door. I'm not going out there until this blows over. I didn't expect this part of the storm to intensify. But wow, how that intensified is crazy.
Okay, let's go back.
Oh, okay, yeah, that went off the air.
Is some of the velocity rates that we're seeing, and again, where they're most intense, really what they are, the numbers are not important here, but just understand that where you're seeing the deeper colors, that's where you have the potential for the highest upward motion, the most unstable air, and that's why we're seeing that right across the northeast, east, and southeast parts of the city.
That's how much I just shook. This is what happens when I don't make a vlog every Sunday. Don't tell me it's a flash flood warning. This is probably gonna end because it's gonna come on my phone.